So, are you guys able to hear me? Just send a hi message. Can you guys say hi message in the chat so that I know I am live? So, as you see, the orange line that we draw here is acting as a support. So, this will be a very good range of support. And if it's broken, then we can expect the downtrend continuation. But until then, we will have to wait and watch because a lot of long wick is formed, and this is 1 week, second week, third, fourth, and fifth. So this will act as a good support, and we will get to know whether it is a trending day or a range bound day only when this level is being cleared. Either it breaks down or goes up. We will have to wait and watch. Oh, I see. My chat is not updated. That's the reason. Now you guys should be able to see. Yes. All right. That's great. Uh, awesome. Thanks a lot, Bhargav. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Now you see that the yeah. Now you see that the candle has made a reversal. It's forming green, right? That's why I said it's important to wait and watch. Um, Today we cannot expect it to be like uh, another Tuesday. It's going to be pretty much the confusing day. so who knows? It might even reach 43,000. So that's a great possibility because today we'll have a flavor of Tuesday as well as Wednesday together. As tomorrow is the expiry, we can expect some sort of reversals. That's very much likely. So let's wait and watch. So 12 was it was making newer lows. Yeah, for every 30 minutes, it's making a new low. As you see, it's making continuously new lows. But 12:30 and 1:15 will be a very good confirmatory uh, timings. Whether the trend is going down or it's going to reverse, we will get some clarity around 12:30 and 1:15. Are you guys able to hear me? Because I'm getting some messages saying that I'm offline. So I'm not really sure what's happening. All right. All right. Thanks for the confirmation. Awesome. Thanks, Jitesh. Yeah. Call price to go up. See, if you're trading in current week expiry, that will be considered as OTM because it's about 240 points away, right? So it will be considered as OTM. Although the price will, even if the market reaches 43K, the price will not appreciate as much. So you have to be really taking at the money like 42,700 CE or 42,500 CE. That's all in the money. So you will have to play in the money strikes and not on the OTM strikes. Considering tomorrow is going to be expiry, premium erosion will be so drastic and fast today, right? So you cannot be really taking too many chances over there. So you will have to uh, play in the money strikes. Definitely, even if the market reaches 43K, probably you got something at 200. It has gone down to 140. Even if market comes to 43K, it will reach only 175 or 180. It won't reach 200. So that's the reason I am suggesting you to play in the money strikes. Okay, PM 37855. What is the price currently? You bought it at 140, but what is the price now? It should be really low now. Maybe around 80 or something. Let me check. 75. See, it has become half its value, right? So it won't give you, even if it reaches 43K, it won't give you that much. Maybe it will reach only 110, 120 at max. So you need. That's why I said no. As an option buyer, it's a very tough market. Yeah, it's very very tough. My sincere advice is that you can go ahead and square off and play by next week expiry or next month end expiry, so that you don't suffer this premium loss. These are unnecessary risk, right? You should be playing in next week expiry or next month end expiry. See, I also took 43K, but month end expiry, next month end expiry. I took it at 772. Currently, it is at 752. 20 rupees only eroded. Just 20 rupees. That's why it's important to play in longer strikes, long expiry strikes. See, my view for next trade, I clearly told that these are the markets that you should avoid. Probably there were a lot of times that the stream broke. Maybe some of you joined new. I'm saying that these are the days that you should avoid trading, because market is VIX is falling continuously. VIX is at 13.56. That's not a good thing. That's not good. And only why? Because even if there is a move, your premium will not appreciate so much, and you will be losing your money just like that. So what I suggest is probably give yourself 1 week break from the market. Why? As an option buyer, you will be tempted to see these gaps, right? Like yesterday it gave a gap up. From yesterday it closed, and then it gave a gap up, and then similarly you found another gap up. You will be tempted to carry overnight positions, but if you carry overnight positions, then there is a very high chance that the trade can go wrong, and when you have taken a C position, it will be a gap down, so you will lose your money just like that. So don't get into overnight. You cannot take overnight positions. One. Second thing is that even if the market is moving, it won't give you the same number of points in premium, right? Your premiums will be just depreciating or eroding faster, and it's not worth the trade. Once the market has given some sort of drastic moves, and then finding a reversal, a fall, a big fall, and let's say 1,000 points had fallen and VIX had come to 16, that's when you should re-enter again. This is not the time for option buyers. Seriously, you will lose a lot of money here. My sincere advice: take a week break. Just observe for educational purpose. Just observe the market and see how it is moving, which level it is reversing, why it is reversing, and why premiums are not moving. All this sort of analysis you should do and record it, because in future, maybe 2 years later, again the same situation will come, and at that time you should know what to do, right? So these are just replicating. The same situation happened like 3 years back. Now it is repeating. Okay, I'm expecting a bigger fall in coming weeks to come. Maybe it can happen even today, or it can happen over the due course. But you will surely, for sure, you should expect a thousand to 1,500 points minimum fall. Only then the VIX will go up. See target. No, I'm not giving any targets for today. I'm just saying that you should consider writing positions. Maybe if you have some capital, you want to write positions, you can write positions. Um, Probably you can go ahead and write 42 500 and 43 200. Uh, these two strikes you can go ahead and write and collect the premium for intraday. That's a very safe bet than to buy options and then get into all the mess. It's going to really wipe off a lot of money. And you see, if there is one large green candle, then everybody will be like fooled, really fooled. So don't trade today. That's my sincere advice. See, if it is making a large candle like this, like let's say this is about 100 points. If it is making 100 points candle, it makes sense. In a 15 minutes candle, if it is making 100 points, it makes sense. These are hardly some 20 points. For 15 minutes, it is staying in 20 points range, means both CE and PE will erode, and this is only 10 points range. So you will be losing big time if you're initiating any position. That's why I say to avoid. Anyone holding any positions? C side, P side? Anyone? Okay, still holding that 43K. That's really going to erode faster because once it crosses 130, the premium erosion will be terrific, extremely fast. So you got another 1 hour. Either it has to make some quick jump, or it should make some quick down movement. Otherwise, premiums on both the sides will erode terrifically. Very good, Dave. You should start trailing your stop loss, and it's good that you are at 3.7K profit. That's wonderful. So another 3 minutes left for 12:30 move. Let's see if there is any move happening, either downside or upside. Let's see. Yeah, and you guys strictly keep a stop loss because there will be a lot of stop loss hunting happening. But if you're in profit, at least book that and get out of the trade. It's much more advisable. Okay, last 1 minute. Let's see if they're able to break this level. Last 50 seconds left for this 15 minutes candle to close. So 12:30, what's the move? So in 1 minute, if they are not making any drastic moves, then this candle is also going to be a boring candle. Just they will erode the premium. So let's see. Next 30 seconds, are they going to make some 50-point moves or not? That's very important. If they make it, then that's good. Otherwise, it's going to be a dull and boring candle. Let's see what happened with Nifty. Nifty, Nifty is consistently falling down, but again taking some support at this level. Same as Bank Nifty, last three candles it's taking support here. Similarly, you're seeing the support happening here. So almost like same, but the fall in Bank Nifty looks much bigger than the Nifty. That's a small difference, but otherwise, both the indexes are having the same set of trend. So maybe let's shift to Bank Nifty now. Mhm. But once it crosses 40 to 820, you should see upside move. Um, and for downside, it has to break this yellow line. So we are in a tight spot. If it breaks this, the trend may be like most likely it will continue downwards. If it breaks here, then it most likely it should go up. That's why it's perfectly no trade zone. Just watch. Yeah, this is going to be a boring candle as well. Nothing will happen in this. Next 10 minutes, nothing will happen. So we have to wait for 115 now because it's not making any move. 115 is where I am expecting something to happen. But right now it looks very dull. So there is a power shutdown here. That's why I'm connecting from my laptop and feeling a bit handicapped because I'm not able to use many of the things. But I'm sure the stream is going on fine. So once in a while, just wanted to be sure that it's working fine. It's an old laptop and it's getting stuck once in a while. So maybe if you guys say hi or something like that, that will help me confirm that we are still live. And this candle is done, so nothing is going to come from this. There is no chat update. I don't know what to do. Should I refresh or not? I'm just a bit Are you guys saying hi? Please do let me know. The chat is not updating. Maybe I'll refresh the screen. Right. Thanks, Sumit. Thanks, IAFRG. Oh, you booked at 4.7k profit. That's wonderful. Many, many congratulations, Dave. So this is good. I strongly feel that there is going to be an up move, but I may be wrong, but it gives me a feel like that. Why so many long wicks? Let's just draw this and see why I say that. There is a long wick at all these levels, correct? In this box, you see how many long wicks have been formed, and the last one you see it's making higher lows. This is lower, this is higher than that, and this is higher than that. So saying that it has drained its fall. The fall is momentum is gone, and you can see that it's firing up, right? So that's why I was like saying this could be a reversal point, and most likely the moment it crosses 820, you can expect a strong up move. So, but still nothing is confirmatory. Just wait for it. Don't be in a rush. There's no need to take hasty decisions. Just be calm. So this is what I was talking about. It's making a first low and then second low and then third. So the lows are like increasing. You see that it's making a upward move, indicating strong reversal signs. But the reversal is confirmed only when it clears 18,200. Okay, because that is the 20 EMA, and once it crosses 20 EMA, you should see some sort of quick up. You can expect some quick up moves. So let's see what is in store. Hmm. Can it clear another 35 points? If it moves, then there's great chances for up move. Yeah, it's making some positive moves. So consistent says that I think it's making symmetrical triangle on 5 minutes. Let's check it out. 5 minutes candle. Go in and check 5 minutes. Yeah, you could say that. You could say that. Um, Even if it is an symmetrical triangle, I see this as an upside breakout because um, the body of lower side is not touching, but the body on the higher side is see, there is a real body here. There is a real body here, here, here. But if you look at the lower side of it, it is only one, two, three. But you have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So that's more like real body. And then yeah, it's already like made. In 5 minutes, it's breaking the 20 EMA. If it breaks in 15 minutes, then that will be like super awesome. Like yeah, you can see that it's already at 18, and if there's some 20 points, if it breaks, you can expect a good rally on the higher side. So, yeah, let's wait and see how it plays around. Yeah. So, so it has cleared 9. And the moment it clears 20, you can see a good boost. Some fury up moves can come. So, another 5 points. The moment it clears that, you'll see some bullish moves happening. 6 points, 6, 7 points away. It's not breaking the range. I was saying like you know you know this is a perfect downtrend. Had it been a regular Tuesday, I would say this is going to be a downtrend. But this expiry is a different expiry. We don't have Thursday, we have Wednesday expiry. So today it will act slightly range bound, and probably you can expect it to come and touch this VWAP and go above as well. So it will be a high volatile range bound action. If it is no recovering up, then it's going to be an high range volatility, but in a range bound action, right? So we need confirmation for that, and that's why I said wait for it. You see, it went so close, but it didn't touch it. I'll zoom in to show. This is the 20, and it reached till here and then reversed back. So I wanted a double confirmation whether it is going to go up or down. Just 10 points away, and if it breaks, then you can expect some good up move. First target would be pivot, and once that's done, then you can expect a VWAP, and then once that's cleared, then you can expect this T3, that is 42,970. So every level. Now you see, this is the longest candle. This is the longest candle in last half an hour or so. It has already touched that. It has already touched that. See, it touched, but it should sustain above for up move. All right. Uh, hmm. Yeah, for it to touch VWAP can be easily touched. That's not a problem at all. All it needs to is it has to clear the 20 EMA. Once that 20 EMA is cleared, because EMAs are far more stronger resistance points or support points. Let's examine that. See, here is where it broke, right? It broke and then it came down. So this was 9 EMA and 20 EMA. It broke. So the downtrend was confirmed. The moment it clears this 9 EMA and 20 EMA on the upper side, then we get an upward confirmation. Once the upward confirmation is there, so what will act as resistance? One is VWAP. First is pivot. But pivot to this VWAP is not far away. Guys, are you able to hear me now? Uh, can you confirm? I have a very frequent internet disconnection, and because of UPS running short, my internet is connected to that. So it's just breaking in between, and Steam is getting disconnected. Usually, it doesn't happen this way, but yeah. Thanks. See, you can hear the UPS blinking. So anyway, I have connected from my phone data now, so that the internet doesn't disconnect. Once we have just now, I have shifted to my phone internet. Okay, that's good. So if the phone internet can be, it can be good, it can go bad, but please bear with me. Today is an exceptional day. Uh, the internet is really going bumpy, and UPS is completely out. There is no power since morning. Morning in the sense night onwards. Night 2 o'clock onwards, there was no power, and all the fans have got exhaust. Fans have exhausted the UPS. Plus, my system when I turned on it exhausted further. So a lot of exhaustion of power has happened. So that's why we are running short. Let's wait for it to clear this 20 EMA. The moment it crosses this 20 EMA, you see the kind of uh, things that we predicted, right? We said that then we can expect upward rally, but then they are finding rejections there, and then here also you see that the second candle is getting rejected, and that's the kind of challenge we will. How to use EMA indicators? Okay, so EMA is exponential moving average. There is a spike, there is a gap up, gap down. Then these things get uh, quickly reacting to the price action. So EMAs are very good indicators to uh, see what sort of breakout will happen. For example, if I have to 20 EMA is an average of last 20 days, so it will take averages of all the 20 trades and then give you this picture. So it will be slightly lower in its curvature, right? And then we have 200 EMA. 200 EMA is, where is 200 EMA? Let's see that. Uh, it's far below. Yeah, this is 200 EMA. It's very, very stable one, right? So it's saying that the index is trading above the 200 EMA, which is a good thing because it indicates the bullishness. And what has happened to the market? It was giving continuous gap ups and then it was rallying. So definitely it makes sense why it's trading above 200 EMA. Now, when there is a crossover of all these indicators like 9 EMA, 20 EMA, then it says that there is a trend reversal, that there is a breakout in line. Here, 9 and 20 crossed and then we saw the fall, but it has not touched 200 EMA. 200 EMA is very far away, right? So, once these three things collaborate, when they all intersect at one point, then there can be a very serious breakout, very serious breakout. And that breakouts are extremely large, maybe, 800 points, 1000 points, like that. Whenever these three indicators collide, it's going to be a massive move. So that's a very good indicator. So you can use this first. My sincere suggestion is that you add all these indicators: 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and 200 EMA. Even you can add 50 EMA, and then observe it for about a couple of months. See, don't think that I brought money to the market and market has to pay me tomorrow onwards. No, this is a strict, disciplined profession. You need to really, taking right choices. You will not be entering anywhere. uh, you will not be entering in the middle of this red candle, or here and all. You will not enter. You will just know, let it break out, and then I will enter on the CE side. If it doesn't break out, then I will not take a trade. It gives you a very good confirmation of what you should be doing in a particular day. So indicate EMA indicators are extremely important tool in recognizing whether you should enter or not. Sometimes these indicators also acts as support as well as resistance. So it's not only about the averages, but also it tells you whether it confirms you breakout, it confirms you support and resistance, and it can be used as target also. So many roles that EMAs play. That's why you should study it in depth. Uh, Is market going to end in bullish? Very likely. The moment it clears this, I am slightly bullish, not aggressively, slightly bullish. And you can see that it is making every effort to break it. This is the second time it's piercing through that. You see, first attempt was made, it got rejected. Second attempt, it's making right now. And once it clears, you will see a long, rally happening. But don't expect too much of rally. It's going to be within the range. What was the high? High was 43,078. You don't even expect 43,078. Possibly you can expect 950. Another 150 points it can go. That's the kind of momentum we might see. So let's see how they wanted to play it. It's very crucial that it clears this level for upward continuation. Um, and Yes, market is highly deceptive. You're right. Maitra works. You're right. It is very deceptive. And clearing 850 levels is very important. Correct. First thing is 820. This one should be cleared. Now it got second rejection. You see that? It's getting a second rejection over there. So very critical that it clears off this level. Otherwise, it will be stuck in a very small range like this. See, they are just maintaining in a 40 points, 50 points range for how many candles? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It's close to 1 hour, 45 minutes that they are maintaining in this range. Now think about the premiums. Whether you took CE or PE, both would have eroded drastically. That's the sad part. And particularly this week expiry, you must be really losing big money. That's why I'm advising everyone to play in next week. If your capital is very low, then play next week. If you have good capital, play it in the next month and uh, strikes. That will be the most reasonable thing to do. If you're an option buyer, you should go for longer duration strikes. The expiry should be far away, so that you can avoid the erosions that's happening. For 2 hours, it's in this range, so pretty bad. 2 hours means big erosion would have happened. That's a very fast move. You can see that there is a very fast action happening here. But will it clear this line? That's the question. Will it clear this line, or it's going to take support and go back? We'll wait and watch. So 115 move is also done. It's only about some 50 points move happened at 115. So Next move is at 145. So let's see where the market goes at 145. For people playing in current week expiry, it's a very high risk that you are going to take because it's close to 130 now. Premium erosion will be at its peak. Okay, it's going to start in 10 minutes. It's going to be at its peak. Please shift to next week expiry. Close the positions and then take the same positions in next week or next month end expiry. That's something I would suggest. And guys, I am very very sorry. My battery in laptop is also getting exhausted. Really, this is impossible to continue now. I will have to end the stream, and hopefully, we will catch up tomorrow. It's not going to help us in any way. I don't see any signs of power coming up. So we will have to close this and catch up tomorrow. Don't carry any overnight positions. That's my sincere request. Please keep that in mind. And I think this is good enough. My battery is absolutely blinking. It can turn off anytime. So just keeping you posted. And yeah, play safe, guys. Please don't spoil your positions. Exit and then take next week or next month expiry. That's my sincere request. So, all the very best, and let's catch up tomorrow because there is no point in continuing this. Uh, Everything is shutting down, so I really cannot wait now. Yeah, so see you all tomorrow.